How to buy the AtomStack A70 Max. Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and in today's video I'm going to be telling you how you can buy AtomStack A70 Max engraver. So having said that, let's jump into the video. So here you can see I'm on the website, and here we got a bunch of different options, right? And here you can see they have a lot of different options. They've got the bestsellers over here, laser engravers over here. They've got open frame ones over here, 120 and fiber lasers over here, and refurbished items over here. Since we're looking for the open frame one, which is the AtomStack A70, it's over here. You can see right here. We're going to click over here and buy this one. Then over here, you can see we've got the hardware specifications over here. Once we've done everything, select the one we want, select the bundle, select the frequently bought together, or if not, then just simply click on add to cart. And then here, you've got it. And then just simply click on the checkout page. Once you're at the checkout page, you can go ahead and apply the discount codes that you can find in the description below. You can see right here. It's a bunch of options. You can save almost up to $300. This one is automatically applied over here for the first time visitors. So if you go ahead and scroll down to the description, you can just simply copy that and apply that as well on top of this one. They're stackable, so you'll have even more discount, which is pretty cool. And just fill it out and pay with your credit card and or Google Pay or Apple Pay or whatever. So there you go. That's how you do it. That's how you can buy the AtomStack A70 laser cutter. So thank you for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and until next time, take care and goodbye.